Welcome to Penthouse Living in Suite 407 in 50 the Boardwalk Way, a spacious 1,128 square foot Carmel A model with soaring 9-foot ceilings, extra transom windows, a private balcony with sunny south views, and very rare 2 parking spots and 2 lockers. All in a quiet, low-rise building that is part of Swan Lake Village, a vibrant gated community with resort-quality amenities and a friendly neighborhood scene. As you enter the suite, you're welcomed by a proper foyer with neutral ceramic flooring and a front hall closet. The greenhouse kitchen features ample counter and cabinet space with a double sink and a pantry, and a cozy eating area surrounded by windows with south views and a walkout to the private balcony. The combined living and dining rooms have crown moldings and a cozy electric fireplace and face south overlooking the balcony. The generously sized primary bedroom fits a king-size bed, a walk-in closet, and a full ensuite bathroom. The second bedroom is located on the other side of the suite, offering privacy for each bedroom. It's located close to the second full bathroom with a soaker tub. The ensuite laundry room has a stacked washer and dryer and room for storage. Walk out to this private covered balcony, yours to enjoy, rain or shine, with a bird's eye view of the neighborhood comings and goings and great natural light. Most Swan Lake listings come with just 1 locker and parking, but this suite has 2 separate parking spots and 2 lockers. Use them all for yourself or rent out what you don't use. Swan Lake's The Boardwalk Way is an intimate collection of 4 low-rise buildings located just steps from Swan Lake Pond and nature trails. Each building has an updated lobby and an in-building party room, as well as access to above and below ground visitor parking. Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit station, Markham Stovall Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407. For more information about this very special home or any of our Swan Lake listings, call Adrienne, Kathy, or Johanna at 905-477-0011, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at walkerparker.ca.